In this example, we have file variable that holds file name profile.png. Using if-else statement, we are trying to identify file type. We are using double square bracket and advanced if-then feature we discussed in last video. The trick to identify file type is using the extension. If the file name ends with .txt extension, it is a text file. If the file name ends with .jpeg or .png, it is an image file. If the file name ends with .sh extension, then it is a shell script. If the file name ends with .zip or .tar.gz, then it is compressed archive, else we print unknown file type. Let's run this script. This script is working fine, but the issue with if-then statement is when we have to match one variable against multiple possible values like this one, script gets lengthy. This is where case command comes in. We are looking into the syntax of case command. Let's use case command in our example. In this example, we are using case command. Let me break down the case command. So this is our variable file. If the name of the variable matches with this pattern, then this line will be executed. If the name matches with this pattern or this pattern, then this line will be executed. If the file name matches with this pattern, then this will be executed. If the file name matches with this pattern or this pattern, then this will be executed. If the file name does not match with all of the above pattern, then this will be executed. Let's run the script. It's an image file. This script is equivalent to the script we saw previously using if-then statement, but it is much shorter